Now, I was just gifted this butter fidget toy. I love it. It's really super cute. It's about the palm size of my hand, so it's not very big. This is really great for adults or kids. Really, what really struck me is the smell. I was expecting it to be plasticky or just no smell at all, and it has like a buttery smell to it, which really makes it even more enticing to squeeze and just smell it all the time. I think this is great not only for adults but for kids too. My granddaughter saw this. She's 4 years old and she couldn't keep her hands off of it. She just kept touching it, picking it up, and then I would do it the same. So it was really great. Now this is made out of high quality PU, so I really like that when you push it down, how it's really slow to rebound. That kind of makes it nice and exciting, and it just makes you want to keep on squeezing it. This is super soft. I like that it doesn't leave like a residue in your hand. It's not sticky. Now I've had some toys where you're playing with it and it just kind of sticks to your hands. I don't find that at all, but I love that it's just so darn squeezable. So it makes it really fun and nice to whether you're using it as a stress toy or kids are using it as a fidget toy. This is like really compact. You can throw it in your backpack, put it in your car, so when you're driving around, either you or your kiddos can be playing with it. This is great for adults, teenagers. I love the fact that I can give this to coworkers too, or even stocking stuffers. I think would be fun. But I really highly recommend these. They're really super fun just to play with or just kind of use it as stress little gadgets. But I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.